there. First one, JDBC API. After that, driver manager class. After that, drivers. After that, I'm sorry, connection interface. After that, statements. Wait, how many statements are there? Which one we already completed? Which we are discussing? When we need to use a prepared statement. One SQL query for executing multiple times. You know that prepared statement will be dealing with the parameterized SQL queries. For example, yesterday we already wrote this program. Is it done for everyone? Everyone completed? Okay. Now here, just a second, let me try to open my command line. Okay. And here, just connection SSTM system manager manager. Okay. Now here, SELECT select a star from PATIENT patient. This is the data. Now, yesterday I inserted one record. Okay. Now let me execute my program one more time. Now kindly please observe where is our query? Is our query present inside the loop or outside the loop? Okay. Now let me execute. Right click, run as Java application and add patient one. Enter patient ID 202, patient name. I'm just going to write John, patient age, no, let me go like some 67, patient contact, some contact. Okay. I'm pressing enter button. Patient data inserted. Again, I want to insert one more patient record. Okay. Let me go for one. I'm pressing one, enter button, patient ID 203, patient name. What's your name, buddy? Feroz. 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 Patient age something like 77. I'm pressing enter button. Patient contact, some contact number I'm giving you. Okay. Now I'm pressing enter button. Done. How many records I inserted? Two records I inserted. Yes or no? Two records I inserted right now. Line number 38, how many times it got compiled? It got compiled only for one time, but we are able to execute n number of times na? Prepared statement. For example, if I want to deal with the same thing for statement, we need to compile that statement again and again and again. How many times we want to insert, those many times we need to compile. Yes or no? But when you speak about prepared statement, that is not required. That is the benefit, that is the use for this prepared statement. Am I clear with this? Okay, just let me try to check here. Is our data inserted? Absolutely. Now, I told you totally. Okay, just let me try to exit also. Okay, so totally, we are having six operations. In those six operations, two we already completed. What are those two? Add patient and exit. Now today, let's try to complete with remaining view all patients, retrieve patients data, update patient data, delete patient data. Shall we? Open your laptops. Open your laptops. Go ahead. Anyone already completed all these? Please raise your hands. Good. You need to wait for it. Please wait. Others, please open. If you already completed, I'm impressed. Very good. Yeah. Anyone? Please don't disturb. If you already completed, don't disturb. Just relax. Okay. So, yeah, wait. Wait. All right, guys. Let's go with case two. That is view all patients. Okay. Let me just try to get back here. I need to write one more prepared statement, another prepared statement. Okay. Con dot prepare statement. And here directly I'm giving the entire SQL query, SELECT select star from select star from PATIENT. Select star from patient. Okay. Now this is PSTMT2 belongs to prepared statement. Okay. Okay. Prepared statement. Now case two. Let me just try to go to case two. Could you please help me with the query? What I need to do right now? This is the query. This is a query. Prepared statement two. This is completely another prepared statement. Now I need to view the data. View all the data. Means if user entered view all patients, I mean two, I need to display all the patient data na? Tell me in case two. Just PSTMT2 dot exect execute query. What is the return type for this? Result set. You know this. Let me result set just like this. Okay, result set one. Now after that, while rs1 dot next system dot out dot println. Okay, rs dot get string. Sorry, rs1. rs1 dot get string 1 plus patient ID, patient name, patient age, and patient contact. Okay, first to rs1 dot get string, get string. Okay, and here also I'm going with two. Okay, contact what I have given number. Okay, plus rs1 dot get int 3. And what about age? I gave number. Contact also gave number only. No, I'm speaking about database. Database number only. Okay. Then plus rs1 dot get long. I'm just going with 4. Okay. Let's execute. Right click, run as Java application. Where is error? Where is error? If I remove this, did I do anything? No. Error gone. I did not do anything now. I just cut and again paste the same code. Sometimes Eclipse will be working like weird. Anyways, let's try to execute. Right click, run as Java application. I'm going to view the data, view all patients' data, and yeah, I'm able to view the data. As simple as this. We'll do one thing. Just let me try to keep it like this better. One more time. Let me execute. Right click, run as Java application and view. Okay, view all patients data. This is my patient data. I'm able to retrieve. Yes. Okay. Now after that, let's try to deal with the retrieve patient data, specific patient data, basing on patient ID. Patient ID. Okay. Could you please tell me the query? Okay. Con dot prepared statement. Okay. Tell me the query here. Oh, sorry, just a second. Tell me. Select star from PATINT patient where PID equal to question mark. Okay. Now this is PSTMT3 belongs to prepared statement. Okay. Prepared statement. Now this is actually case 3. Retrieve patient data. Again, come to here, case 3. Now we need to ask the user now. Let's try to ask the user. System.out.println enter patient ID. Okay. Now here, let me just try to go like sc dot next line simply equal to p underscore id string. Patient ID is also string only, na? String. After that, okay, sure. P dot string set string one patient ID. I'm giving the patient ID. After that, we need to call a method. Which method we need to call? Execute query or execute update? Execute query or execute update? Come on, Ra. What is the query we are using here? Tell me, execute query or execute update? Execute query. I told you we are retrieving the data, na? Selection group SQL queries. Do you remember that? Okay. Listen, listen. It's okay. Listen. Execute query, execute update. These two methods plays a crucial role in JDBC. When we need to use execute query, wait. What is the return type for execute query? Result set. Result set means what will be there? The data which we are trying to retrieve from the database. If we want to retrieve the data from the database, obviously we'll be using selection group SQL queries. Right? Come on. If we are using selection group SQL queries, we need to use execute query. If we are using updations, what do you mean by updations? Insert, update, delete. Are you getting the point? If you are using these kind of SQL queries, updation group SQL queries, then we need to use execute update. Now tell me what I am trying to do. Am I trying to update the data or else I am trying to retrieve the data? Then which method I need to use? Execute query. Okay. PSTMT3 dot execute query. Okay. What is the return type here? Tell me, that is correct. Result set. Just let me try to go like a result set like this. Now, how many records will be there in this result set? You need to respond, Ra. Only one. What is that? Depending upon the ID which we have given. So there is only one record. Only one record. So do you think that we need to use while loop or else can we use if? We can use if na? Okay, guys, you know what? Honestly, Stop coding, Ra. Close the laptops. You're not concentrating. Close, 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 close. I'll give you time. I'll give you time. No worries. I promise. I'll give you time. Please close. Am I? Close. Right. Okay. Now listen. Listen. While is basically used for loop. Okay. What is the query which we are using? The query which we are using is select star from patient where PID equal to some ID will be getting. How many records will be getting? Only one record. So if there is only one record, you know that no need to use while. Simply, can I use if? Yes. If rs2 dot next, and simply here I'm going to print entire data. Just, you know what I need to write? Two. That result set is different. This result set is different. Am I clear with that? Else system dot out dot println, there is no patient record available with patient ID plus else part. Else part. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, I'm enter the page. Okay, retrieve patient data based on PID. Enter patient ID. I'm giving 500. Can you please read this? Patient ID. I hope you are getting the point here, right? Let's execute for one more time. Why one more time? I can use the same loop now. Okay, let's try to go like 3, retrieve patient data. I'm going to go with 201. Am I able to get my patient record? As simple as this. I hope you understand the point here. Come on. Okay. For example, okay, this is, let me just try to exit. Okay, done. Okay, this is case 3. Retrieve patient data. Now let's go with case 4. Update. Okay, what shall we update? You tell me, shall we update the age? No, shall we? There are 4 options. Let's try to update the age. Yes? Shall we try to update the age? First, remember about the query. Try to get the query. Tell me the query. Anyone? Hang on. Hang on. First, let me try to write here. Okay. Update PATINT patient set impress set age age equal to, you need to respond equal to question mark, where PID equal to, come on, question mark. Is that clear? No, is the query correct? Okay. I need you to please concentrate. Okay, please, seriously, please concentrate. Let us just try to go for case 4. Okay, updating patient data basing on patient ID. So obviously I need to ask the user to ID. Okay, I'll ask the user to enter patient ID. Okay, user will be entering some patient ID. Fine. Now, after that, I'll ask the user to enter. Come on, you need to help me. Enter PATINT patient age. Okay. Now user will be entering some age, integer integer dot parseInt sc dot next sc dot next line, and here equal to int P underscore H. Okay. Now, please try to help me with the code. After that, what I need to write? Hang on, hang on. This is the query. This is the prepared statement which I have written. You know what? I'll just, for your understanding purpose, I'm going to keep it like this in comment. Just for comment. I'll remove it again. Are you getting me? Now tell me the query. I mean, tell me the code what I need to write. PSTMT for, hang on, take a minute time, think about the code. Next lines, what I need to write. Think about the code. Feel free to discuss. I don't mind. Feel free to discuss. Feel free to discuss. Next lines, what I need to write. Please think. Got it? You got your code? Tell me. PSTMT4 dot, okay, dot set string one. Come on. Tell me one. Okay, guys, what I told, listen, boys, listen. This one, two, three represents the question marks I told you. Yes. First question mark is age. Age is actually set int one comma age. After that, we need to go with the, tell me ra, ID. Tell me the code. PSTMT4 dot set string 2 comma ID2. Can you see that? It does not matter first what you are asking to the user. You can ask first, you can ask the user to enter first ID. After that, you can ask the user to enter first age. It literally does not matter. But these numbers matters. Now, this one represents the first question mark. This two represents the second question mark. Am I clear with that? Come on. Okay, okay. That is good. That is good. Online students, if possible, up to now, is it clear, guys? I want you to please respond, if possible. Please respond. Please respond. Is that clear? Come on, come on, come on. Go ahead. Okay, that is very good. Now, please let me remove this. Go ahead. Tell me the remaining lines of code. You need to tell me. It's not like I will write the code. You tell me the code. Tell me the code. PSTMT 4 dot execute query. 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 EXECUT execute update. You know why we are using execute update? Literally, we are updating execute update equal to just int ROWCOENT row count one. Row count one is already taken. Oh, let me go with row count two. Okay, after that, if row count 2 is greater than 0, system dot out dot println here PATINT patient with age has been updated with plus, okay, else Just let me try to write this else system dot out dot println. There is same. I'm just going to write like this. Else there is no patient available with patient ID. I hope you are getting the point here. Let's try to check. Right click, run as Java application. And first, I want to view all the patients, please. Okay. Now, I want to update Crystal age as 99. So, update. Tell me. 4. Okay. Basing on patient ID. I'm just going to write 799 and something like this. There is no patient record available with patient ID 799. Okay, let's try to go for one more time. 4. Okay, so Crystal 201. Okay, 201. And patient age. Previously, what is age for Crystal? 55. Let's try to update it to 99. I'm pressing enter button. So patient with 201 age has been updated with 99. Just to check, I'll be able to view all patients and is the data got updated? Of course, it got updated. So let's try to deal with the last case also. That is delete. So what is this? Delete. Update is also. Let's go with delete. Go ahead. Let me just try to go here. Okay. Please. Oh, this is prepared statement 5. All right. Now, I want you to please tell me the code. DLED delete. DLED delete. Delete from PATINT patient. Set. Set. Where PID equal to. You are understanding why we are giving the question mark, right? Okay. Now, after that, just let me try to get back to our code here. Okay, this is case 5. Okay, deleting the data. So obviously here also I need to ask the user to enter patient ID. Let me make it as ID 3. Could you please help me with the query? I mean, continue. Please tell me the code. What is our prepared statement? 5. Come on, tell me. Just a second. PSTMT5 dot set. Come on. Set string 1 ID 3. After that, PSTMT5 dot execute query. Query. EXECUT execute update. And let me just try to go like equal to int ROWCONT row count 3. Okay, and exactly the same I'm going to write here. Let me just try to go like row count 3 is greater than 0. Patient with the ID. This is PID 3, 3 RECORD. Record is deleted. And else next there is no, just simply I'm going to write like this. Okay, let's final time executing. Let me just try to first I want to view all the records. Oh, sorry. First I want to view all the records. 2 enter button. Okay, I want to delete Feroz. So let me go like 5 and okay, delete patient ID based on patient ID. So 203 enter patient ID record is deleted. I just want to check that. View. Right now I'm having only 2 records. I hope it's clear, guys. It's your turn right now. Go ahead. I want everyone to please complete this program. Then only we should be able to leave. Just let me go like exit. Done. Complete. So my advice, first make sure to write all these queries correctly. Laksha, okay, hang on. Manoj, sir, for contact number, the same code we can use. You wish. I'm not saying no for it. Laksha, sir, can we replace age with a question mark so that change what? Completely your wish. No problem. You just try. You will be able to understand. Oh, you're speaking about here. This, no, you cannot. You cannot go. No. Okay. Values you can give, but these you cannot change. If you are having any doubts, please come to me. You know what? Only by I just want to show you only these remaining lines. Can you write? Remaining all the cases, can you write? Try, try. Is case one completed for you? Hmm. Yesterday we completed case one. Na? Is it done? Okay. Did you complete all these? Right now, what you are doing? Waiting for scrolling down. Feel free to ask me if you're having any doubts, guys. Move the back. Yeah, you just try first. Just try. Just try. If your code is right, you will be getting an output. If it is not correct, you will be getting an error. If you're getting in any error or exception, you first try. After that, we'll deal with that. First try. Case 2, I did. Case 3, 4, 5, continue. Guys, feel free to ask me if you're having any doubts. I'm not showing remaining cases. I'm just showing only the queries. So you try. First try. Done? All cases completed? How many of you completed all the cases? Please raise. Please raise. I need count. One, two, three, four, five. Only five. Yeah, just take, relax. What about you? Hmm. Remember, in this program, we are having 4 to 5 prepared statements are there. Which prepared statement you are using, that matters. And if completed, if all these 6 cases got completed, try to do one thing. Actually, we are updating only age. We are updating only age basing on ID. Try to update all. All means age, name, contact number. Both your own query. Go ahead. So you need to modify your query, prepare statement. Go ahead. If you want to add one more case also, you can add. Feel free. Do some experiments. Come here. What happened? Hmm. Try to go with get long. Uh, Guys, before continuing, I just want to ask you a small thing. Stop coding. Stop. 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 Are you comfortable with the way how our advanced Java classes are going on? No, I need your opinion. Please respond. Are you okay with this kind of hands-on approach? Yes? Continue, please. Online students, I need your opinion also. Please respond. Please respond. Is that okay for you? See, it's not like I need to write the code. It's more like you need to write the code. Whenever you're writing the code, you're getting a lot of errors, a lot of exceptions. You should be knowing how to handle them. You should be knowing how to resolve them. So that's the reason I'm asking you to write the code. Practice. Come on, go ahead. Feel free to discuss. Happily, you can discuss the code. I don't mind. Discuss, but write the code. Whenever you are asking your friend to solve any error, don't just leave the laptop to your friend. Please check what he's trying to do. If the error is resolved, ask him what is the problem. Hey, where is your laptop? Shut down. Why? Where is your phone? Percentage, battery percentage? How much is the battery percentage? Tell me, da. Please, priorities. Make sure you don't bought the charger. Charger is not there. Char- Charger is there or not? Laptop charger. Want to show case 2 right now? Actually, case 2 and case 3. You know what? I changed my mind. No, you're copy pasting immediately. No, try. Word by word, character by character, you are trying to copy. Done? All the cases. If all the cases got completed, try to update. Right now, case 4. In case 4, you are updating only age. Try to update age, name, and contact. Go ahead. Is it done? That concept is also completed. Then I gave you a project on library management. Is it done? Day before yesterday. When I gave you library management, is it done? Show me. Hmm. Open the project and show me. Case 2 and case 3 are on the board. Don't copy paste, refer. Understand the code. Understand the code. Don't copy paste. So Shruti, you're asking, sir, where do we write con dot close statement? If it is written outside while loop before try loop, will it be giving unreachable code? If written inside while loop at the end, then inside data will be giving any error in the console. You know what, Shruti, whenever you are dealing with connection, we did not wrote con dot close, connection dot close in this particular operations method. Okay, just a second. Let me try to check that where we wrote here. Okay, basically we are trying to call, and we did not close the connection here. Basically, this is auto closable in this particular scenario. Auto closable. Okay. If you want to close it, yeah, you can do that. No problem. Feel free. Feel free to close it. And what happens? You just check that. You'll understand that. Just try to check. If you close inside the while loop, what happens? Outside the while loop, just try. Then you will be able to get the difference. How many of you completed case two? Oh, guys, listen. How many of you completed case two? Raise your hands. Everyone, down. Case three, case three, everyone. Okay, down. Shruti, I believe you understood. Yeah, that's what I need. Absolutely. Done. If all these cases got completed, I told you to change the query in update. So if you want to update all the data except patient ID, try to write the code. I'm sorry, what happened? That is not submitted. Previously, anywhere did you use next line method? I mean, next int. What is this value of? Can we go with %? Then why you are going for value of? Yeah, go with parse long and check. Please check and do let me know right now. Okay. Value of method is going to convert that into its respective data type. Parse method will do something different thing. Just check that once and do let me know. Okay. Mm. Welcome there. Okay. And one more small tip for you. If you are performing any changes in the database directly, I'm not speaking about from the Java program. If you are performing any changes in the database directly, first commit that database, then work with Java program. Otherwise, your code will be correct, but operations will not be happening. First commit in the database, then execute. It will work. I guess case 3 is complete for everyone. So how about case 4? Case 4 is also done. Case 4 is also done. Then just after completing this program, I told you to modify case 4. In case 4, we are updating only age, but I requested you to update name, age, contact number also. All the three. Please don't quit. Don't give up. And if entire program is completed, 2 days before I gave you a task on library management, you did that library management task by using statement. Try to implement that by using prepared statement. Same scenario. Please take this as an assignment. Okay. Library management, you did that project, you did that program by using statement and different methods you wrote. Method 1, method 2, method like that. No, I want you to write all this in one method. Otherwise, if you write in different methods also, okay, no problem. Use switch case. Use switch case. Got it? And tomorrow we are going to discuss about result set. Result set. Callable statement, still some time is there. Wait for it. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about result set. What is there about result set? Yeah, wait. Tomorrow. Mostly tomorrow we may not be getting time to code. A lot of notes is there tomorrow. So please be prepared to write little bit lengthy notes. If time is there, definitely we'll be trying to go with the code also tomorrow only. Okay. Both parallelly we'll be trying to manage. Be prepared. Tomorrow, very important session. Mostly we'll be having theory. We need to write the notes. Amma, tomorrow, project. Which project? Come here. Hmm. All right. Tomorrow is hackathon. Tomorrow, 20? 28 na? Then fine, no problem. See, hackathon is on 28th. That's what. Register. Last date for register is 26th. It's okay. No problem. How many of you registered for hackathon? Please raise. Good, good. Yeah. You'll love that experience. Working under pressure.